What's up, guys? It is Nicholas, and today it is time for Monday Mashup number 48, I believe it is. Don't quote me on that. No, I'm pretty sure it's 48. Anyways, as you can see, we're still in the upstairs office. This is probably one of the last videos that's going to get shot up here, because Friday begins the painting, and then hopefully the next day, everything goes downstairs. Done. That's it. And then all my videos from then on will be shot down there. I'll talk a little bit more about that later in this video, though. But today, since I kind of don't have a lot of new stuff, I'm kind of just trying to make sure that Monday Mashup does get out. I plan on just talking about four of the games I've seen so far at E3 that I'm excited for. And then I've got two other little things that, like I said, later. But anyways, first off, Kingdom Hearts 3 finally got a release date. Anybody who knows me knows I love Kingdom Hearts. Kingdom Hearts 3 has been like a dream of mine for so long. And to see it finally get a release date, which is January 29th, 2019, even though they told us 2018, they told us it would be coming out 2018. You lied. I'm just happy it's coming out. As long as it doesn't get pushed back again, please. It's been too long. But they shut off the Frozen world. Trent wasn't super stoked on the Frozen world. I don't think Trent's seen Frozen, though. Because I liked a lot of the characters from Frozen, and that's why I'm super excited for Frozen. Not that I liked like the story or anything. Did Frozen have a story? Pretty sure it was about Olaf. Not sure. Or Sven. But anyways, second one was Halo Infinite. Now this one caught my interest because most Halo games, when you see the trailer, it's usually combat or this one was way different. And I don't want to give any spoilers. Go watch it if you haven't seen it already. But there's no combat. It's just like showing you like the world and like it doesn't explain anything. And I was so confused. But I was so excited because I'm hoping they're planning on doing something different. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm hoping they're doing something different. Or how do I put this? I don't want to say like an open world Halo because that would not be a good game. But something a little more outside the box of what the typical Halo game is. Then again, I'm talking about Halo, so it's probably gonna be exactly the same, which is fine. But it doesn't hurt to try something new. Yes, it does. Yeah, a lot of game franchises have died because of that. Anyways, moving on to C, I was gonna say number C, letter C on my list. Gears of War 5. Oh my gosh, I am so excited for this, because there were characters in that trailer that I saw that I was like, wait. I was like, that's JD. I was like, wait, that's Dell. Like, whoa. And then like I won't give anything away, but there's a question that I want answered, and I'm like, oh man, who was that? What's going on? It looks so good. I'm so excited for it. I've always been a Gears fan, though. The multiplayer I've always been a huge fan of. Really sad that the multiplayer scene on PC died pretty early, and now you can't even really play Gears of War for PC. It just will not load for me. They may have come out with a patch. I don't know. I haven't tried it in probably about 2 or 3 months. It's saddening. It really is. The next one I had on the list was Anthem. I think there was something about it. I didn't get to see it yet, though. The other three I made sure to watch what they had, the coverage on it. But I want to talk about Anthem and the fact that a lot of people are like, I hope this isn't like Destiny, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, no. I hope this is like Destiny for the sole fact that we need a game that competes with Destiny so that they start, I don't want to say like picking up the pace, but they have competition, because right now there really is no other game like Destiny that is true competition to Destiny. A lot of people are saying Monster Hunter World is the competition to Destiny. Maybe when it comes out on PC, I'll play it more. Right now, I've stopped playing it because I can't handle the bad frame rate. I'm sorry. It might just be my TV that I play it on, but it's bad. Okay, so going from 144 hertz monitor to like 30 hertz. Oh god, it makes me sick. It literally makes my stomach hurt thinking about it. It's so choppy feeling. But I love the game, so as soon as it comes out on PC, I will be playing it some more. So that's about it for games. The next thing that I really wanted to talk about was, I just want to give you guys a little update on the downstairs room. The drywall has been put in, or I put in the drywall. It's all mudded. I'm putting on a couple. I wait about a day in between doing coats of mud. So it's going to be, I guess what I'm saying is I can't paint until Friday no matter what. So until Friday, I'm going to be working on getting that nice and smoothed out, coated. And then I'm going to paint it, or prime it, paint the whole room. Amber has to help me pick out colors still. I think we're going with like a light gray on the rest of the walls, like almost like a white, and then kind of actually like behind me. Like a white and then a like dark. I actually like I want to do the exact same color that we had behind me during like live streams and stuff before. Behind my desk. I think that'd be really cool. We'll see though. And then the last thing on our list, I'm sure you can see this little cable coming. It is the Moga Hero Power. Power A, Moga Hero Power. I know, weird. This is what I've been waiting for to get here. This is actually a Android Bluetooth controller. And if you guys have been paying attention to what came out kind of recently, you'll know what I'm using this for. You'll know what the video coming up is. And I am so excited. I've already tried it out a little bit today. I actually plan on going and doing some yard work and stuff, and then when I'm done, I'm gonna come sit down, chill out in the living room, just laying on the couch and play some games. I won't say anything more than that. All I'll say is Steam Link Mobile. But yeah, make sure to check that out. That will be up, I believe it's the 22nd is the next Friday. Not this Friday, but next Friday, because I want to shoot that all in the new office, or in the new studio/office. So I'm super excited about it. I kind of wish I'd gotten the, it's like the Moga Hero Power Pro, and it's got like actual grips, but this is a little bit more mobile. But then I'm like, when am I going to take this with me? I'm like, So I may end up picking up the Pro too. I mean, this is like $20. So give this to Trent so he can do the same thing, but it works awesome so far. So yeah, I might do a review on that separate if you guys want me to, but for right now, it's just going with the other project. And that is all I have. Actually, the last thing I have on here is, I forgot I have it on autofocus. That one down there, it says, right there, it says sign off, which I'm going to do now. So if you guys liked the video, make sure you leave it a like. If you guys disliked it, leave it a dislike. Let me know why you liked or why you disliked the video down in the comments. Speaking of in the comments, which not really, but down below the video, we will have our Twitch and our Instagram and Twitter. The reason I keep putting our Twitch down there is because we have been doing a lot of live streaming lately, and we plan on doing a lot of live streaming going forward, so even after we get the room set up. So make sure you follow us on those. The Twitter and the Instagram. Instagram I haven't been too active lately. Twitter, I do post a lot of update stuff so that people know when live streams are going up, when content is going to be up, that kind of thing. So make sure to follow us on all of the social medias and Twitch, which I don't really count as a social media. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already too. That's important. And I'll see you guys in the next video.